Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Road to Data Engineer. This is going to be episode 32. So, I've already been studying for a couple hours tonight. I did some reading and some other stuff, but just wanted to record a little bit. So, today I'm going to work on some Stratascrtach, basically some Python, Pandas, PySpark, and SQL type interview coding, leetcode-ish type questions. I've done a handful already. I've also done some here and there at work at times. But my plan is like I want to do 10 easies for all three categories here. I probably do more for PySpark because PySpark I'm definitely weaker in general. It's just I haven't written nearly as much of it as, and SQL is my strongest for sure. And then I did start the other day looking at some neat code as well because I know that's something that's pretty common in interviews is more traditional lead code style questions. So I'll do some of that too over the coming weeks. But tonight I'm just going to do the data related style questions using Stratascrtach. So I'll do that for a while and then going to refactor the BJJ project a little bit. I've been working on getting the GitHub just more presentable, and even if the project's not fully finished, I can at least share the GitHub with people and put GitHub on my CV and have the code that's already up there be like clean and professional looking. So I'm gonna maybe work on that some more as well. So let's kind of get started. First, I'm gonna kick on some music. I'm a huge jazz fan, and I've been really enjoying this Chet Baker album recently, so I've been listening to it a lot. So I'm gonna turn that on, get in the zone, and then let's go to Stratascrtach. I'm planning on doing this for about an hour ish. So we're just gonna see how many I can get through. I'm gonna do like SQL, then Pandas, then PySpark in that kind of order. Yeah, cool. Average salaries. Compare each employee's salary with the average salary of the corresponding department. Output the department, first name, salary of employee, along with the average salary of that department. Some type of self join, I think. Let's see what the table looks like. Oh, let's start the little timer too. Let's take a peek. Department, first name and salary of employees, along with the average salary of that department. So, I mean, we could do a self join, we could do a subquery and a select clause. We could do a lot of stuff here. I'm assuming there's not really going to be any duplicates. Sales, target, bonus, city, manager ID. Let's just check real quick. I'm assuming there's no duplicates though. Well, I cannot type today. So let's just make sure there's no duplication on the table. There is not. So this would be a pretty simple, straightforward one. We're gonna do a select in our subquery in the select clause. So let's first get what we need. Department first name, employee salary, and then here we'll need average salary of the department. Let's see what the expected output should look like. Okay, cool. So this should be a subquery in the select clause. Select average salary from employee. I don't remember if I need to alias this. I don't think so though. Or I do as E2. Well, actually, let's see if I don't need to. Where I'm pretty sure I need to alias this. Where employee dot department equals employee dot department. Yes, I need to alias it. So, oh, maybe not. Maybe it was just the as keyword. Yes, okay. Let's see here. Oh, I need a group by too. Syntax error. Oh, I didn't even use the alias as well. This is just getting embarrassing. Let's just break it out. I don't know what's going on here. Let's figure it out. Could be I mistyped something maybe. It could be a lot of stuff. Oh, it's mean, probably. No, it's definitely average. Maybe I have to alias in Postgres. I'm not actually sure. Line 20. Oh, well, that would do it too. Let's make this a little smaller. I'm pretty sure I don't have to alias. Okay, so that, I mean, that's working. Oh, I probably need to alias in the group by as well? I don't know. Oh, I need to specify which salary I'm talking about, I think. Oh, wow. I just forgot my comma. Yeah, let's see if I really needed all that aliasing now that I figured out what my issue was. I feel like I might not even need this, honestly. Let's see. A little bit of a learning experience. But yeah, okay. Undefined table, yeah. Okay, so I do need the aliasing. Nice. I mean, I think they're maybe rounding here. Um, I mean, I think this is good. Let's check the solution and see. Nice. Okay, so had some mishaps with syntax there, but I knew what I needed to do pretty much off the rip. So that's good. And I got more clear on like if I am going to do a subquery in the select clause, I just making sure I do actually have to alias both my tables, which is fine. Let's see what other people did. With department average as, okay, I mean, a CTE would be fine as well. Totally makes sense. Yeah, that's totally fine. Subquery in the join is also fine. That's actually pretty smart. A window function over the partition. It's fine too. Okay. Yeah, so lots of different valid approaches here, which, you know, makes sense. All right, let's do Panda's question now. All right, let's see. What is the total sales revenue of Samantha and Lisa? Let's see. Salesperson. Is this really just a filter question? I think it might be. I mean, I maybe want to check for duplicates here just to be sure. Let's just see real quick. No, no duplicates it looks like. So we'll just make our list. Target employees. Do Samantha and Lisa. And then we'll do filter the data frame to be is in target employees. I need to spell that right. Yep. And then we'll just do this one was mad easy, bro. need to select my let's see what the expected output. What is total sales revenue? Okay, that makes sense. Literally just do like sales revenue. I just do some, I think. Yeah. I don't know if they want it. I'm not sure how they want it. Nice. My group buys and pandas are definitely weak because if I needed to do like checking for duplicates there, I would have been kind of slow. Some other stuff. Yeah, so, I mean, okay. Let's do a PySpark one now. We're a couple in, so that's good. I mean, the panda's almost super easy. So. Fine wine varieties tasted by Roger Voss. Alright. Let's get the data frame. Fine wine varieties tasted by Roger Voss. With the value in the region 1 column of the dataset, output unique variety names only. So let's break this down. So taster name needs to be Roger Voss, and region 1 cannot be null or empty. Looks like it's mostly empty strings. Fine wine varieties. I think these are all, yes, these are all wines, okay. So, and then we want to output distinct variety. Yes, okay. So that all makes sense. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this df. Okay, so we're going to do df filter where df dot taster name equals Roger Voss. And then we want our region 1 to not be an empty string. And if I really wanted to be safe, I would do something like and is not null. Not in A or something like that. let's see. Line 39. I'm pretty sure this is the, well, there's that too. Column object not callable. Pretty sure this one is not correct. Yeah, they're not NA. Let me take a little note of that. In PySpark, how do I check for NA/null values? I need to get clear on that. Okay. Nice. So then I would basically just want to select here and drop the duplicates. Something like this. Nice. Nice. Okay. So I did one of each. That's pretty cool. And I didn't do too bad, actually. I do need to take some notes. I guess this is fine. PySpark. Let me open. I already have that spell open already. Let's see. My learning space would be a good place. Oh yeah, I was trying to get like Spark up and running the other day, and I don't know if I ever managed to. Okay, I think it's working. Let's see. Nice, okay, the notebook is working. Let's see if I can start a Spark session. Usually when I work with Spark, I work with Databricks, so you don't actually have to create sessions, really. All right, this is taking a while. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Um, hmm. I'm not sure what's going on. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see what Gemini had to say. All available CQs. Spark session.builder. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, that makes sense. Hmm. Okay, let's try this. Hmm. I think something about my installation is not correct. Hmm. 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 Mm. Let's see. Ah, okay, interesting. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Python 3.1. Mm. 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 Okay. Let's see. Need to set up a virtual environment. Mm. Let's see. I've done some virtual environment stuff at work, but just very briefly. Mm. I think I need to install it first. Yeah. The dual Java cloak. Mm. Mm. This is fine. This is probably fine too. Oh man. Mm. Okay. Mm-hmm. See if it works. Should though, I think. This is pretty interesting. Let's see what let's try to understand what it's actually doing. So we update our Java home environment variable. I mean, that makes sense. Then we set an environment variable for Spark local IP, some type of internal Spark setting. Mm-hmm. I think this should work. Let's see. I sure hope so. Mm. Mm. I specified the Java home path incorrectly, I think. Let's try now. Mm. Mm. Oh, nice. Yes, there we go. Spark is running, baby. That's fucking sick. Alright, alright, alright. So I was like trying to learn something. So now I got Spark working. Oh, how do I check for NA slash null values? That's a good question. I like a good oh, messy data set, probably. Well, let's see if I can remember how to even read a file. So dot um, let's see. Let's see. Man, I love those last two songs on that album. Let me back up the track up a little bit. The song You're Mine You is so good. Nice. Let's see. Let's see. Here's my packages, my Python packages. Oh, maybe that's only PyCharm. Trying to understand how to append to the path. Well, I'm extremely hungry right now. Been cutting weight for a few weeks, and it's kind of killing me today, to be honest. Quite tired as well. Where's my Python installation? Grant app data local. Oh, I'm struggling. What was it? Users grant, app data. Wow, I cannot find this. I mean, it's there. Just trying to find pathlib. It's probably in my program files. Maybe not. Oh man. Okay, I'm confused. Am I crazy? I feel like that's where I just was. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Oh, local. Okay. Program. That's weird. Yeah. Here we go. I could have just done this. Man, this is like too much. Oh, wow. That's all I had to do? Ugh. Okay, well, whatever. It's fine. Maybe I can do like toString. Maybe, yeah. I think that should work. Okay, so example. There we go. Okay. So now I wanted to get clear on how do I check for nulls and NAs, so probably just gonna make like a dummy CSV in my data directory real quick so I can practice that. Well, I'm just struggling from the hunger and it being late tonight. Here we go, here we go. Yeah, why does it keep doing that? Um, oh, I should literally use AI to generate this. Okay. Let's try this. Not sure if I think I created it or not. Yeah, I did. Cool. Okay. Yeah, so how do I check for swings null? Hmm. um, I want to promote the headers. Hmm. Header equals true. Nice. Makes sense. There we go. Okay, so now I want to see how do I figure out the null value. Is null. Okay. Uh, PySpark column objects have that is null functions. Now I think I can tilde here to say is not null. Yes. Let's see. Not null. Is not null. That's good. Okay. Okay. Nice. So we learned something, small today. but still substantial. All right. Originally I wanted to study for like another half hour today, but I'm honestly just exhausted and I'm freaking starving. And I think I just want to go to sleep so I can wake up tomorrow and eat breakfast. But what did we do today? We did about 30 minutes, 40 minutes of Stratascrtach. That was good. I pinpointed some small weaknesses in terms of my fluidity with PySpark. And I figured out how to get a Spark session running on my local machine, which will be good for practicing Spark and working on my weaknesses as I continue to do more Stratascrtach. So I'll be back tomorrow. Gonna study longer tomorrow, hopefully. And yeah, thanks for watching. Gonna keep grinding.